Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. I got one of these recently, $1.99. Said I was going to get one more just to check for consistency of value. Thought I'd just get two because they were quite fun. And off the bat, I'd say it was definitely worth $1.99. But did I just get really lucky? Let's find out. I pretty much got exactly the same. I got a clapper last time that didn't clap. Oh, don't think it's meant to do that. Well, it sort of claps. I got a bouncy ball in pretty much the same colour. I got the Blue Mermaid. Exactly the same. I got the yellow spinner that looks like a sheriff's badge. I got the mini slinky, maybe a different colour, I can't remember for sure. I got the weird finger trap with a marble in it. I got one of these, which my girls are going to be very happy over. I got this in exactly the same colour. And my other half pointed out to me when I showed it to him, it was one of those things when you spin it around. It makes a sound. So I personally just like that sound. One of these clicky clacky snake things is what I called it. A clicky snake. Because that's what it made me think of. And a clacker that didn't clack. Well, it sort of did in the end. But I think they had it like one up and one down. I think that's how I got it to work. I can't get this one to work. Okay, so do you get the exact same thing every time? Because it isn't going to be much of a mystery bag if that's the case. You'll know what you're getting after the first one. Well, yep, you get the exact same. Because there's no way I'd pick 3 out at random and get the exact same. Though this one is, it's the same content, slightly different colours for some of them. This time I got a little shark. I quite like him. Well, it was worth it just for the shark. I've got a shark to chase my mermaids now. Different coloured little slinky. The exact same ball. Where's my other one? Oh, this one was bigger. Oh, I must have got really lucky with that bag then. Another one of those. A different coloured little spinny thing this time. A slightly different shape. More like a flower. This is definitely a sheriff's badge. This is definitely a flower. Clacky hands. Clappy hands. And exactly the same clacker. It might have another name. That's just what I know it as growing up. We'll see. Well, I still think they're worth it for $1.99. You get a fair bit in there. Oh, different colour tube. Oh, and can you... Oh, you can't. You can. Oh, sort of anyway. It don't fit very snug. You used to be able to push these... Oh, you can. There we go. I can make a super long one now. Or a bracelet. Well, yeah. Like I say, I think these are worth it for $1.99. Home bargains. You now know that chances are you're going to get the same mix. If anyone out there has happened to buy these and they've got a different mix to this lot, let me know. There is some slight variety, different colours, slightly different style, and if you're lucky, different sort of character, I guess we'll call these. But yeah, not bad. $1.99, worth it. Let me know what you think. Would you be happy with this haul? I'm going to find something to do with it all now. Give some bits away, repurpose some other bits, keep some bits, because I like this guy. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.